we got steady shot off. Good. Good. Alrighty, everything's closed up back there, Ash? Thank you, love. I just gotta put this thing in tap in a pocket somewhere. Whew! Alrighty. So we're gonna keep going this way.
Taking no footage.
Cool. Hey, you. There we go. Choked on my beard. Hard to hit focus, but dang if it's not fun. Hey Ashley, do that again for me for 1 second. What? Do that again for me for 1 second. Eyes here? Yeah, there we go.
Your lens is purple.
It was like just your face.
What?
It was like just your face.
Oh my god.
It's a fixed lens too, so it doesn't like, you can't zoom out at all.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's interesting.
Like
Alright. Oh, no. It's about to switch over. Let me hit this button. Okay, let's let this guy go first. And then... let's go. There we go. People are turning. Nice. I'm trying to get more people crossing the street. Things like that. Like little moments of passers-by.
Yo, what I miss is the one up there that had this like archway on the building and it had a pair of cross punks holding hands and shivering.
Oh, that's so cute.
I think so, you know, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. This is not done at all. I almost just lost it. Good old Seatown.
these like foot heaters are really nice.
Are they working well?
Big thick socks last time and then the boots that I bought off of you. And I was just like, oh, I felt all cramped. Like it feels nicer to just have a little boost by my toes that's super warm.
Yeah. Go. Getting a couple shots of everybody here and there.
But no one to be there because this is Bethlehem and they were black.
I'm gonna use you as foreground. Oh yeah, that'll do it too. Thank you. And we're good.
thinking, I'm like, it looks cool, like almost portable.
Yeah, yeah, that's the hard part about like in-city shooting is there's so much like stimulation, you know? It's like over the top. Sorry. Where'd Kevin go?
I thought he was recommending us.
Oh, there he is. Okay. But like he disappeared. All right. So Lehigh Pizza's right across the way. This way afterwards?
Actually, what we can do is cross, take a right through the parking lot, and then there's a set of stairs that comes up on the bottom side.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Then there's the other option would be to go to the Far Bridge and then go across, but that's like a longer walk coming back then, right?
Niski is there.
Okay. So yeah, we'll go across here. Sweet. All right, so we're gonna go across the street, cross this way. Alright, so we're gonna stop off at Lehigh Pizza. We're gonna head in. I'll be outside if you guys want to grab anything, and I'll pause this thing for now.
You gonna pause mine?